All right, check this out. I am so fed up with this. I get this piece of mail the other day, and look at this. I know it's been blacked out here, but look how official this looks. It says renewal fee, okay. Or, hey, I might get a check because of the type of paper. So you open it up, and check this out. Okay, renewal fee voucher, $199. So, okay, maybe this is good news. I might get paid, right? Or there's this word fee as well. And look at this. You open it up, and look how sketchy this is. You see, final renewal notice. Respond by. Immediate response requested. This letter is to inform you that the property's home warrant... Oh, so wait, this is about a home warranty? So what trickery is this? Where they wrap this, making it look like you're going to get paid, or it's some type of final renewal notice, kind of threatening at the same time. I mean, you can make the argument this is pretty smart because it demands your attention, right? How much mail do you just like open up and throw out if you even open it? But this you actually have to read. I just don't agree with it though, because it induces stress and confusion. I mean, what is this? Our records indicate that you have not contacted us to renew your home warranty. Please call immediately, as this will be our final attempt to notify you. And at the end of the day, this is just some sketchy company. Home warranty renew. I mean, what company is this even? We reserve the right to revoke your eligibility for service coverage after 5 days. This is threatening garbage is what it is. Oh, but we might pay you. What? This is a bunch of bogus crap, and I'm tired of it. These companies need to be called out for their confusing rhetoric, possibly falsely threatening rhetoric, and I'm throwing this away. This is garbage.